Lindy Lou, what are you doing?
I'm wiping down these beautiful wheels that we just got back from Dave Moore.
So these are mats with the 750 GT Ducati wheels. So, all right, so Stevie did a lot of work on the hubs. We got the spokes from Bevel Heaven, talked to Steve at Bevel Heaven, so we're leaving them kind of a dull polish. Stevie went and did a nice polish on the hub, cleaned all that out. Let's see here, flip it over, let's see the other side of that. There's the Cush drive. All right, looks really pretty. Get all the, let's see, they showed up Borrani down there. Look at that. Oh, look at that. Is that showing the Borrani? Look at that, how pretty that looks. It looks nice and pretty.
Beautiful.
All right, so this is the rear wheel for the Ducati. That's got a tire. Everything's ready to go on that. Here's the front wheel for the Ducati. Once again, okay, so Stevie's polished up the inside of that. We've got kind of natural stainless spokes on those. These are blasted, so you had to polish this first, tape it off, and blast it. That looks like how it came originally. We hope so. We've got new bearings in there. We've got a new tire on it. Here's the other side. Looks nice and pretty. She's still got to clean this side off. All right, looks like a work of art. Here's the Borrani. We got the Borrani on the right side. All right, so those are Matt, your wheels are done. And then we got Dale's. So Dale's came in, we had to redo Dale's. Dale's are getting nice and pretty again. So Dale, here you go. There's the nice Borrani. I think we changed out your hub. Your splines were a little worn, Dale, so we put some, I had a really low miles hub. We put that on for you. So there's that. Here's the front one. Here's the front one for Dale.
Yep, I already wiped both of those down for you, Dale.
Did you do that for him?
I did that for him.
That was awfully nice of you.
I'm awfully nice, so.
Wow.
Tracks.
Okay, there you go. Look at that niceness. All right, so there we go. Your wheels are looking nice and pretty again. Dale's front wheel. Look at the little Borrani in the front. It's a 72. All right, so these are all good to go. And here we go. Thank you guys for sharing. So those wheels fresh coming back. You got Lindy Lou scrubbing hard. God bless you. All right.
Bye, guys.
All right, say bye, Lindy Lou.
Bye, guys.
All right, there's Stevie over there working. All right. I got to go do something. All right, thank you guys.